a demand for principal and vice principal from the higher secondary post. Okay, but we must fight. It is a fighting platform. All the schools are running with, almost all the schools, not all, almost all the schools are running with the in-charge principal. Point to be noted, and regular appointment of principal must be done. Otherwise, they have no accountability, they have no responsibility. This is one thing. Second thing, I humbly differ with the Secretary State Committee, Jiten sir, because at the necessity they may be sent to class 6 or class 7. Necessity may be created. The term necessity is a relative term which can be created, and in many cases they are creating an artificial demand. But I just give you the confidence, in my district, especially in Kachar district, there is no such instance where teachers are sent to the lower section, lower to class 9. They are very safe because it was because of our persuasion. Now, one thing, when a teacher coming from 6 going to class 12 teaching physics, my beloved physics teacher or chemistry teacher, just from class 6 to class 12, how they can change their mindset, because it requires different mindset to teach class 12 and to teach class 6. So these things are to be taken very seriously. Now to speak about the Shikha Setu, yesterday only I got this notification, and I thought there will be a storm. There will be a storm. What storm? That one, Ramela or what one? That storm should be there. About the Shikha Setu, how can it be? In the name of digitalization, can a teacher be a robot? That they must come by 15 minutes or there will be half CL? How can it be? Tell me, how can it be? And I was very much expecting from my beloved friend Secretary Lokhimpur that he will talk about it. And I think all of we will be sufferer, because we have to travel a lot, 20 kilometer, 25 kilometer, and my female teachers they have to manage so many things. There are unfavorable weather, hostile weather. So considering all this, in most of my districts, the roads are being submerged with water. So how they can move within 15 minutes? Can it be a robotic job? Should there not be any protest? There must be protest, and you must raise the voice, because it is the highest forum. We are responsible to take care of all the state. So my humble request to Secretary sir, to President sir, to member of the sitting member in the dais and all, please take care. I am on the verge of retirement. I shall take only 6 months. Maybe in next executive meeting I may not be there. But those who will be there, you must take care of all these things. Otherwise, you will be facing a very odd days. And last but one thing I am telling, because my our secretary Puritul, they will be telling something. One thing you see, that was I am telling. Suppose one physics teacher who is in assistant teacher cadre, and he or she will be asked to go to class 12 for taking physics class. Suppose the result is a havoc one, or a disaster result. He or she will not be accountable for that poor result, because he is or she is accountable to teach class secondary level, means 9-10. Because we cannot ignore that it is a category based teaching system. There are category based assistant teacher. They are meant for class 9-10. Subject teacher, so long there is no amalgamation, and merging of all the cadre together, we cannot fix responsibility to other cadre for that cadre, counter cadre. So my humble request to all members, please take care of all these things. Otherwise, what will happen? You will be facing a very odd day, because government